Re-wet it, of course, and this is what's left. And then I'll be using some of my homemade moisturizer. This is not the one I should be using. I believe this one is hibiscus. The shrinkage, it shrinks up so much. Like, it shrinks up so much. But my hair has grown a lot, I will say that. Men, get yourself a fresh lineup. If you have dreads, or retwist. If you have hair, get your hair braided or something like that. Get you a lineup and everything. Ladies, same. Get your hair done, nails done, everything did. And you'll feel a lot better about yourself. Like, when I take care of myself, when I, you know what I'm saying, put myself together, not even all the time, but just, you know what I'm saying, put yourself together, you just feel that much better. I will definitely be wearing my scarf now. Like every night. I won't let them be free because I don't want any more frizz, lint. I don't want any of that getting into them and ruining, not ruining them, but you know, just making them all linty and stuff like that. Like, just think, a year ago they was like baby, they was on baby. I'm happy. There's nothing more to really say or do. I can't wait till they like loosen up. Not loosen up, but you know what I mean? Like, just when they're not like fresh. This is a reveal. This is my retwist video. Palm rolling, using a palm roll method. I will continue to use a palm roll method just to ensure that my locks are together, tightened, and there's not so many loose hairs. It's gonna be loose hairs because that's just my texture. Thank you guys for watching. Questions, comments, concerns, anything that you would like to see. If it's within my grasp to do it, I will definitely do so. But again, remember, we're just keeping it simple, natural with our hair care. I'll see you in the next one.